Welcome to our channel. In this informative video, we will show you how to add multiple photos on Instagram story. If you are worried about this, don't be worried. It is too easy. Let's follow our steps. First, you have to click on your profile. In your profile, you see the plus icon. Click on it. Then click on the story. So here you add a multiple of photos. So let I select this one. I select 5 photos. So then you to click on the next at the bottom right. So you see this is the layout which I selected, and at the top left you see also the layout. Then click on a story to post it. So once it posts, you will see it in your story. So this is a little request. If you are the new user in our channel, please subscribe our channel and like a video. So this video is posting. Once it is posted to a story, you see this is posted, and this is the multiple photos which are posted on your story. So it is very easy to add multiple photos in Instagram story. Thanks for watching.